Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today, I want to be checking out this Barracuda unit that I got on eBay for a really good price because I found out that there's basically a consumer level board in here, the Gateway 410. I was lucky, I got it at a great auction price. This is not the lid to it. Actually, I got lazy and lost the lid. I think my dad took the original lid and welded it to a car. He's good that way. He is so good with tech that actually he has that car down there, diesel, runs off vegetable oil. Actually, he can't even get the diesel part working. He's running off straight vegetable oil. I'm not kidding. He didn't kid it. So yeah, I kind of come from a stock of tech weird boys, but wow, look at that. Of course, that's exactly where the CPU is. It's gotta be. And I'm almost wondering, should I put some freaking air vents on that? Holy Christ, the power supply run. Pretty hot too. Maybe not quite as hot as the CPU. Wait a sec. Yeah, okay. Now on the inside of this unit, there was the standard 1 terabyte hard drive. I can't remember if there was anything else, but I ended up upgrading it to an SSD and I got a reasonable speed out of it. Now as you see, this is a standard MSI motherboard, but you will notice that there are no audio outputs to this thing, and I've run into that several times. Of course, if you have a server, you don't need the audio out, so they just don't include this in these boards, at which case you either have to go out and get your own if you're going to like transfer it to a regular kit. I got that on the wall because it looks freaking lit, but legitimately every now and then I pull a server and I just need an audio out. Of course, you get your audio out with the HDMI. Actually, I should show you what it looks like back there. Take a look. You got just enough. Just enough. So I had a feeling that these things had something on the inside because I've torn them down before. I should mention there was a giant, unbelievably noisy fan there when I first got it. So once I deploy this outwards, I should probably just clip a section out. As you can see here, I got an i7 6th generation in there, rocking out 8 cores. She currently has 12 gigs DDR4 and comes with a 250 watt power supply. Look how cute, so cute, look how cute, the whole thing is so cute. After I got this unit, I realized that the lanes were only X2 AGP, I believe it's called, and then I just put it towards World Community Grid. You can't really expect a whole lot out of this thing because it's just on board, but we're getting 19 frames per second. DirectX 9. DirectX 10 at about 4 frames per second. Legitimately, I'm surprised because I have seen video cards not do quite so well. DirectX 10 going from 0.3 to about 10 frames per second. That's a pretty jagged turn, but it can be forgiven for its age. I mean, it's like Generation 6, right? We got DirectX 12 moving capably at 11 frames per second. Okay. Oh man, okay, that's a pretty rough score. Let's try some other things. I've heard in the past if you put 3-in-1 oil on one of these things, it'll make it run a lot better. Too bad I don't got any 3-in-1 regular. Oh, me gusta. Oh yeah, if that ain't gore, I don't know what is. I might take this bad boy out of this and put it in another case eventually. But right now I'm just going to put it on the basement, running the World Community Grid. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.